Hi, I'm Sarah. I am the social media and influence marketing manager at Parker Baby. Our son is due next week, and so we have our hospital bag packed up for him. I have my separate one, but obviously I needed one just for our son Cooper. So let's dive in and see what's in my bag. Parker Baby's mini birch bag is amazing because it's got so many different pockets. We've got a portable sound machine because the hospital can be super noisy. On the side pocket, these are normally meant for bottles. We plan on breastfeeding, so we don't have bottles in there right now, but we do have an electric nail file because those little baby nails are pretty intense when they first come out. I cannot open that right now. It's a mini nail file. We've got a cute little baby brush. It's super soft brills for his little hair. Hopefully he has hair, we don't know. If not, you know, we can brush his cute little bald head. Then we've got a hello world and welcome home little sign for when, yeah, that's gonna be a little brother, for when we take his little pictures. Then on the inside is kind of where we have the main stuff that we wanted to pack for him. Obviously we have to have a super stinking cute newborn outfit. So we have his little onesie with his cute little matching hat just for picture purposes. We know that's probably not gonna be the warmest thing with Colorado weather and being snowing, so we packed other things as well. We've got these cute little feet booties that are supposed to help us stay on his feet better than socks. We've got a bunch of different outfits because we just don't know how long we'll be there and what type of weather there will be. A long sleeve onesie and some pants. A swaddle for him that we can wrap him in if we need that. A super soft little long sleeve onesie with little handcuffs and feet cuffs. Also, we got this wonderful classic swaddle set from Parker Baby. I just love the design. Thought it'd be super cute with his little outfit in the background and to wrap him up in as he needs some comfort. On the inside here, it's got so many pockets. It's wonderful in here. We've got some diaper cream. We've got some tummy Tod. He's a newborn. He won't be playing with this yet. We've got Parker Baby burp cloths, the muslin. They're super, super soft and wonderful. Newborn diapers, wipes, a diaper changing pad in case we need that. We threw this in there, probably won't be using it, but it's baby face, little lotion for him. And that's kind of what we have set up so far. Again, this backpack can fit so much more, and that's why I absolutely love it.